Hello, welcome to tuitionbooks.com. So in this session, actually, we are going to understand how the e-learning platform really works. Okay, so it's hosted on the cloud. Okay, and it's secure with the GoDaddy SSL certificate. Okay, so how exactly the course it's in specific to Oracle Access Manager actually. So how you really get enrolled to the course and how you can access the contents, it's all about that. So you have to click on get started now, right? So it will open up all courses section in a separate tab, or you can click on all courses, or you can scroll down. It's fast actually. It's a cloud-based application, or you can click here on Oracle Access Manager. Okay, so point is, right, by all mechanism you can access the course. Okay, so how the course really works. Okay, so you have to click on we'll discuss course contents and approach for the course. Okay, what you will get, but how exactly it works. Okay, so you have to click on take this course. Okay, you have to there's already one item in the cart, you have to remove that. Okay, so once you have added the item in the cart, you can click on proceed to checkout. Okay, you have to provide your billing details. Okay, see, there's one very important thing: email address and the email address and the passcode actually, which you have to set. Okay, and then you have to click on proceed with PayPal. Okay, so point is, right, so you can pay via credit card, debit card, or via your online account, right, online banking. Okay, so in Oracle Access Manager, right, how it works actually. Okay, so when you click on take this course. Okay, so let me highlight again. So when you click on take this course link, okay, which is very important one actually. Okay, let me remove all the items from the cart, go to all courses. Okay, click on Oracle Access Manager. Okay, when you click on take this course, what it will do actually, it will add item to the cart. Okay, so in the cart, right, you will find Oracle Access Manager is there, right? You can click on proceed to checkout. Okay, provide your billing details. Okay, so in the billing details, right, there are two things very important. Okay, email address and email address and your password. Okay, so once you provide that, it's Chrome saved values actually, you can just ignore that. Okay, so when you provide it, right, okay, then you can pay via PayPal. Okay, so point is, right, you have to click on take this course. You have to click on take this course, take this course. Okay, so once you click on take this course, you have to provide the billing details. Okay, so once you provide the billing details, right, okay, and when you click on proceed to PayPal, right, during this time itself it will create the account. Okay, it's very smooth process, very fully interactive system actually. Okay, so our point is, right, so there are certain steps actually. Okay, before we talk about the course and everything, right, it's really important actually that you understand the flow, right, what you will get. So when you provide the billing details, right, okay, account will be created by then. You will also get an email actually. Okay, account got created, you will get an email on your mail, in your mailbox, whatever email you have provided here during the billing details. Okay, so it will create your account, right, then you can pay via PayPal, right? For global users, it's PayPal actually. So our e-learning platform, cloud hosted e-learning platform, is integrated with the PayPal as a payment gateway. Okay, so so you will receive two invoices. Okay, two invoices you will receive as part of the one from the tuitionbooks.com, one from the platform itself actually. Okay, so it will give you a digital invoice. The digital invoice is critical actually for those who want to get the course expenses being reimbursed from their respective organization. Okay, so it's handy for them. So you will receive one digital invoice from the tuitionbooks.com, And another digital invoice you will receive from PayPal, for the global, for the global subscriber, and for the Indians, right, subscriber. PayU Money is the payment gateway which we have used. Very secure platform, right, to to do the transactions. Okay, so once your payment is done, right, once you click on proceed to PayPal, make the payment, right, once payment is done, right, PayPal will do the redirection on the tuitionbooks.com. Okay, so once PayPal do the redirection to the tuitionbooks.com, right, okay, so PayPal redirection, PayPal will redirect to tuitionbooks.com. okay, and to the OAM course it will enable the so point is, right, what will happen post that, right, you can also log in actually, okay, because anyhow when account is created, right, you will also receive your email, but you have to remember password won't be there. Password is transparent. You have to remember whatever password you have set, right. So point is, I have already created one sample test password, so I will show you with that. Okay, so point is, right, you have to click on Oracle Access Manager, right. So what will happen actually, once redirection will happen, right, to tuitionbooks.com, you will redirect it to this link. Okay, so once you are redirected to this link, okay, on tuitionbooks.com, okay, PayPal will redirect actually. Okay, so once PayPal has redirected you to the course, right, okay, once payment is done, you will find that instead of take this course, it is now start this course, start course. Okay, so start course link will be enabled for you. Okay, so instead of the instead of take this course, right, you have start this course. Okay, click on this. See, you will get a lifetime access, unlimited access, right. Price is also being mentioned here, right. Okay, you will find in the curriculum section, right, you will find all the course contents, including the VirtualBox image for the hands-on running notes, and all the installation videos are anyhow free. Okay, for all the Oracle courses, installation videos are free, and then all the OAM hands-on topics are also being listed there. Okay, so you will receive all the videos of the of the course, right. So how exactly it works once it is being enabled, once you are redirected to this link actually. Okay, and PayPal will redirect you to this course, whatever course you have taken, right. PayPal will automatically redirect you to this course. Our site will receive the payment acknowledgement from the PayPal, and then will enable the course for you automatically. Okay, so there is no manual intervention actually. Okay, so then you can click on start this course, start course. Okay, so in the start course, right, you will find here course status that you you have to click on start this course, and all the sections, right, you will find on the right side panel there. Okay, so you can either click on these panels. Okay, so either you can access directly, you can you can directly jump to the middle of session, okay, if it is required, right. So all these all these section will talk about all the videos actually which are being hosted already. Okay, so how exactly it works actually. Okay, so click on start this course. Okay, so point is, right, the very first thing which you have to do is once you have clicked on start this course, okay, you can watch a section called Oracle Access Management Suite actually, what all contents are there. I will put the video there. Okay, and then what you will find actually, you will find okay, OAM VirtualBox image setup with instruction, setup instruction and video. Okay, setup instruction video and hardware requirements. Okay, but the very first thing is you need to download and install the VirtualBox software. It's Windows exe file, very straightforward. Okay, next, and Windows installation is pretty straightforward, right. So once you install it, download this 14 GB VirtualBox image. Okay, once you have downloaded this 14 GB VirtualBox image, right, then you need to follow the video. Okay, video will clearly highlight actually. Okay, it's HD video. Okay, so you have to you can click on HD, right. You can enable the 720p to observe the HD video with the good sound quality, right. So point is, right, in case okay, one is fine, okay, no issues. Okay, second, let's say in case there is an issue in downloading the 14 GB VirtualBox image, right, you can you can download the 2 GB VirtualBox image. it won't have any software actually. In 14 GB image, you will have all the Oracle Access Manager required softwares are already there in the stage folder, unzipped. Okay. See, it's a pre-configured Linux image. It's not, it has all the products unzipped, but it doesn't mean actually that it's already installed. You have to do the installation phase onwards. Okay. So in case there is any issue in downloading VirtualBox image, you can reach us for one-to-one support. Okay. So it's very important actually, when you click on start this course, you have to download, okay, install and set up. Okay. We have 3 sections, right? VirtualBox image. Okay. See, VirtualBox image is very, very important, and there is a one-to-one support. Okay. So in case of any issue, right? Okay. So in case of any issue, right, you can click on, you can click on contact us. You can, write us email on, info@tuitionbooks.com. If something urgent, you can also give a call, right? But it's very, very important actually that you set up the, you download, install and set up the VirtualBox image. Okay. So without setting up this VirtualBox environment, you won't be able to do the hands-on. Okay. So we'll see that. Okay. So once you download and install and set up the VirtualBox image for, and in case of an issue, ask for one-to-one support. Okay. We will immediately, within 24 hours, we will set up a call, maximum 24 hours. This is our, this is our SLA actually. Okay. That in 24 hours, we'll set up, a call, and we'll, WebEx, session actually. We'll do the screen share and we'll solve the issue in case if you are facing an issue. Though the video instruction is very clear, okay, but sometimes I understand that laymen, may not be able to cope up with the, with the instructions. Okay, and there might be some BIOS related things which need to be enabled. Okay, even though I have highlighted here that you need to, your BIOS also need to be enabled, but in case if there is, there's any issue, right, we have one-to-one support. Okay, because it's very tough to explain, right, in a single image. Okay, so point is, once you have, once you have downloaded, installed and have set up the VirtualBox image, right, okay, and there's a complete assistance here actually. Okay, because we understand it's very, very important that you have the environment. Okay, so once you have the environment, right, okay, then you can click on, you can either click on all these, the section there. You can download the, running nodes. So first is you have to set up the VirtualBox image. Second, you can either click on the download OAM running nodes, or you can click on, next unit actually. So either way, you can, you can mark this unit as completed. You can click on here. You can download the OAM running nodes. Okay. So running node is something, it's a, it's a 35 hours course, right? So running nodes is something, which talks about, the environment, right? How we are going to proceed with the installation, right? What all products are required, right? How you're going to download all the products, even though you don't require if you have downloaded the 14 GB VirtualBox image. Okay, but it highlights actually, okay, in your real-time environment, if you need to download the products, from where you can download the Oracle Access Manager product, and then it talks about the database installation actually. So running node will have everything actually. Running node is a practical, document, okay, with the steps. Okay, the complete course to the, the approach to the complete course is hands-on driven. Okay, it's 100% practical course which tries to cover all the advanced topic of Oracle Access Manager. We'll see the course contents actually as we move forward. So but the point is, running node is something which you can take in your work environment, right? It's very short, sweet and to the point. Okay, so now, so point is, okay, so once you download, install and set up, VirtualBox image, you can start with this. And once you have downloaded, download running nodes actually. Okay, download. You can also complete, you can download the running nodes. Okay, so once you download the running nodes, post that you can start with the, you can click here on the product required in Oracle Access Manager. Okay, so you can download this PDF. It talks about what all products are required for the Oracle Access Manager, right? Okay, so all the versions, what role database, what is database listener, WebLogic, IDM suite, in that YD, OVD, YF, right? All these components. Then IAM suite, what all components are there in the IAM suite, why OHS is required, why WebGate is required, right? What is BI publisher's role, okay? How you do the OAM high level. So a brief overview actually before you start the course. It will give you some idea that what all components are there, why you need to deal with the OHS, why WebGate is required, why Oracle Access Manager, what all other components are also there as part of the access management suite, okay? Or in IDM suite, or in in IAM suite, okay? You can also download the certification matrix which is required for the OAM installation, okay? So these are the extracts from the running notes, okay? Same thing is being covered in the video. Then you have here the video actually, okay? Video is in HD, okay? You can make sure that you convert into 720p.
Hi. So
to have a better quality.
We are about to
right?
start Oracle Access Manager.
Okay, so the course here, right, starts with the how you are going to install the database addressing in a new fresh environment, okay? But the point is, right, okay, so once you download the running nodes, okay, so let me quickly go through the VirtualBox image, okay? So the VirtualBox image which you will receive is a Linux based environment, okay? So in this Linux based environment, right, in the file system, in the stage, you will find all the products will be there. You will have the you will have the database 12c, you will have the JDK, you will have the WebLogic, you will have the RCU. Using that you will create all the schemas. And see, installation is not a big deal actually. Even doing the high availability setup is also not a big deal actually. You can easily do that, okay? So my course starts after installation, okay? So installation is anyhow free. So RCU, post RCU, post RCU, how you install the WebLogic using custom 64-bit JDK, IDM suite. In that you have YD, OVD, IAM suite, you have OHS, you have the WebGate, right? You have OUD. There are a lot of sample application, there are patches, okay? So point is, right, in the stage folder you will have all the products. You will find U01, D01 will be empty, and in these directories you have to do the installation. And all this you can do the hands-on by following the instruction actually, which will be there in the videos, okay? So point is, right, then you can start with because you will have the VirtualBox environment, right, and there's a one-to-one support is also there. Then you can start with start in the VirtualBox environment with the video number 1, okay? So this video, right, will guide you actually that how you install the very first product which is already there in the stage folder, right? Start the installation phase, okay? In your watch the video, video will cover all the course contents. I will show you actually where you will find the course contents, okay? And we'll go through the course contents as well. But the point here is, right, you can start with the database, with the installation phase. There are 4 installation videos. Then there are configuration and integration videos, okay? We'll go through the course contents actually. But if you want, let's say you want second factor authentication, how really it works with the X509. So what all things are required for the X509 digital certificate. So that video you will find with the clear cut instruction, okay, as well as the certificates also being provided, right?
Okay, so
okay, for the hands-on, okay? So point is, it's all hands-on driven actually,
browser,
okay?
Right? How you install in the Chrome?
Okay, so it's all hands-on driven, right? That how how you're going to do the hands-on with all these topic actually, okay? So all the you can on ad hoc basis you can access any topic actually which is being which is being listed here, okay? So point is, right, so let me highlight actually. So so point is, in this way, right, you do the hands-on, start with the installation phase till all the activities actually, okay, till all the videos you can do the hands-on, okay? So now, so in this way actually this is the approach, okay? So this is how you can it's a fully interactive, okay? Take this course and you will have the you will get the link being enabled once you make the payment. Once then you will find instead of the take this course, right, you will find start this course, and you'll start downloading, installing this and setting up the VirtualBox image. You can download the running notes, download the all the PDFs. You will also find each topic will have a link given or some reference document is attached to it, okay, along with the various applications, digital certificates, scripts which you require throughout the course. Okay, so now, so point is, it's a Oracle Access Manager 11GR to PS3 is a 35 hours course, right? Okay, so when you click on Oracle Access Manager course, right, okay, you will find that you will find lifetime access to all the videos will be there, right? You will find lifetime access to VirtualBox image. Optionally, you also can you can also join the live batch. Live batch will cover the contents which is already being offered as part of this self-paced course. Okay, live batch is something optional. I will send the invite as and when I start the live batch. Okay, so at one point of time I only take one live batch. Okay, so but whenever I take those who have taken this course, right, okay, they will find they will find the they will find the invite. Okay, they will receive the invites, okay, or for the WebEx live class. Okay, you can you can download the OAM course contents. Click on the link here. Okay, so point is, in the OAM course contents, the very first thing which you require is you have to you must have a laptop or desktop with 16 GB RAM. Okay, how you will get the 16 GB RAM? Okay, there's a cheaper option here. Okay, any laptop or desktop with i3 second generation onwards processor, okay, the motherboard which supports the such motherboards actually which is having the i3 second generation onwards processor, actually they comes with these motherboards will have 2 memory slots. Okay, so you can irrespective of what vendor says, right, you can put 8 GB, but make sure that it's compatible one. Okay, you can check your existing RAM and you can order 8 GB compatible RAM. And there are other softwares as well, actually hardware compatibility software. You just Google hardware compatibility softwares. Okay, so they will tell you precisely. There are a lot of freewares, actually you just need to install and run the analysis of these hardware analysis tool. Actually they will tell you what kind of RAM it is. Okay, because there's a DIMM type, there's a whether it's a DDR3 or not. So all these configuration details, right, will be gathered and will be provided by the hardware analysis tools, actually. Okay, so point is, right, so I will give you a practical example of it. I have right now I have HP. Okay, but previously I had Lenovo ThinkPad i5 3rd generation. Even in I previously had very beginning I had i3 2nd generation as well. So whatever the Lenovo website says, okay, forget about that. They might say 4 GB, 8 GB, right? But because there's a trick here that i3 2nd generation onwards, all the laptops, okay, or desktop, these supported motherboards of such processors actually will have 2 memory slots. Okay, so you can you can utilize that irrespective of what vendor says. You can put 8 GB, 8 GB. In this way, in a very cheap way, you can upgrade your existing laptop or desktop, right, to 16 GB RAM. Okay, so once you have 16 GB RAM laptop, right, then it's you can do you can do the hands-on, actually. Okay, so point is, then you then you can download the VirtualBox image, right? Okay, installation phase is anyhow free, right? Then you can configure actually OID, OVD, ODSM. Okay, how you start or start stop OVD. Okay, logging, troubleshooting. Okay, how you extend OID or other directory services, right, or Oracle Access Manager. In Oracle Virtual Directory, how you create the adapter of OID. Okay, even though it's not listed here, but I have covered in greater detail actually how you create adapter of OID, OUD, Active Directory, and how you create the adapter for a DB, actually database table. Okay, so that is really in details of the OVD. So we have drilled down here in the OVD, creating all types of adapters, okay, using ODSM. Then we have configured the OAM domain so that we can get the OAM consoles. Okay, then I have highlighted actually what is access management suite, how you configure the web server instance, okay, what role OHS plays. Okay, Then installation configuration of OHS, right? Okay, then how you deploy the WebGate on the OHS instance, how you verify. Each step is verifiable actually. So I have, very clearly highlighted here that, as you move forward, right, into doing the hands-on. Okay, so each step is verifiable. Okay, so once you have the environment set up, right? Okay, so as I highlighted, right? Okay, so it's all, so running nodes, right? Okay, so let me highlight here. Okay, so how you verify actually. Okay, so it's all practical. Okay, so let's say once you deploy the WebGate, how you verify, right? So it's all the running node may not be making sense now. Okay, but when you watch the video, right, then running node is something which will have the practical steps here. Okay, so how you deploy the WebGate on the OHS instance, how you verify, it's all practical actually. Okay, so it will definitely make the sense. Okay, and if you want to read more theory, you will also get link to further theory actually, in case if you want to read theory. How you register this WebGate instance with the Oracle Access Manager server, right? How you verify that OAM integration with the web server having the OAM agent is done, right? We'll also understand embedded LDAP directory structure, right? How the default OAM user identity store works, okay, which points to embedded LDAP, right? But this is the default mechanism actually. Okay, but I will also show you how you can integrate OAM with the various directory server. Okay, like how you integrate OAM with the Oracle virtual directory with the various types of adapters of OID. OVD itself you can use separately with the database adapter in it. Okay, or OUD or Active Directory. This is very, very interesting actually. I have also shown OAM integration with the Active Directory, even though it's not, okay, it's listed here. Okay, so I have also shown actually how you can integrate Oracle Access Manager with the Active Directory as well. Okay, so after that, how you work on the security realm, how you security realm actually, how you create OVD authenticator, how you create identity asserter, why you require identity asserter or authenticator actually, why we need to create that. We'll deploy a sample web application. I will show you how you can configure the SSO of that sample web application. Okay, we'll understand the application domain, how you create resources, how you define authentication policies, right, with the LDAP scheme and anonymous scheme initially. Okay, then what is the default authorization policy, right? Okay, how custom authentication scheme works actually. Okay, we'll create custom authentication scheme. Okay, we'll understand how you can protect, unprotect enterprise resources, how you define enterprise resources actually. Okay, we'll work with the authorization policy. So there are 4 use cases which are possible, all practical. Okay, it's a very thorough course actually. Okay, we cover a lot of advanced features, and for OAM it's a use case oriented course. For Oracle Access Manager, it's like it's like you are executing a mini Oracle Access Manager project. Okay, so in a project, what all things are required actually. Okay, so you most probably you will find ADF application or J2W application which need to be integrated. So there are 7 golden steps actually. Okay, you can integrate any J2W application or ADF application by following these 7 golden steps. It's also being highlighted in the running notes actually, that how you can how you can integrate that. Okay, okay, so so this topic, right, that J2W application or ADF application, how you how you integrate. So all these are practical steps actually. Okay, so so wherein we will understand how you can integrate these types of application with the Oracle Access Manager, right? How you create custom authentication and authorization policies, right? What is the technical flow of it? So this is very, very important from troubleshooting point of view actually, that what all component, right, are involved, right? How login page is rendered, right? What role authentication policy play, authentication schemes play, right? It's being greatly highlighted actually. Okay, then how authentication and authorization responses are handled in headers, cookies, session variables. Examples are being demonstrated in this. Okay, because in e-business suite, right, sometimes you have to set the responses in header, right? So how you set in that context actually, it's very, very important, right? how you do how single sign-on really works, okay, the complete end-to-end flow along with the cookie management, session management, what kind of cookies get created with 100% practical approach. We show all the cookies actually, okay. How session management really works, okay. This is also being highlighted in every project. This is one of the common requirement actually, okay. See, as I highlighted, Oracle Access Manager course is like executing a mini project, okay. So in any standard Oracle Access Manager project, you will find that you have to develop a custom SSO login as per the client, client requirement, or you can say with the client logo and the theme of Oracle Access Manager SSO login page, okay. So how you develop in a custom way. I will also provide you the code. I will explain that code, how exactly it works, okay, how you can configure error pages, logout pages. That is also being highlighted. And in one of my project actually, I found that sometimes you have to create multiple SSO login pages. Many people are not aware of it, but you can have multiple SSO login pages. That is also being demonstrated practically, that you can have multiple SSO login pages achieved through Oracle Access Manager. It was one of the project requirement which is also being addressed here. How you work with the WebLogic deployed application, okay. So I have highlighted that greatly actually, okay. There are a lot of OAM scenarios actually, okay. So sometimes it's very important from troubleshooting point of view, that multi-browser scenarios, how cookies behave actually, okay. How you can constrain number of user session, how you can extend the session idle timeout, both at global level as well as at application level actually. So two application can have certainly can have different logout idle timeout set actually, okay. So this is being highlighted. How multi-factor authentication works actually. Multi-factor authentication is very important actually, okay. So what is the driving factor behind it? It's being practically demonstrated. Very beautiful topic actually, multi-factor authentication. Then with the digital certificate X509, which is industry standard, okay. Almost all the US federal projects, right, okay. X509 as a second factor authentication is mandatory. So it's very important topic actually. So I have covered that, okay. So it's 100% end-to-end flow has been shown, okay, that what is the concept, why multi-factor authentication is required, what kind of security it offers actually. So concept and context has been explained. Then how you install the how you get the certificates actually, what the CA is, right. All these things has been highlighted. Then how you install server-side certificates, how you extract OAM key store password, how you install the CA provided root certificate in the OAM key store, how you install the client certificate into various browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, right. How you define resources with the X509 authent policy, how you modify, what kind of modification is required with the X509 authent scheme, authent module, and once we have configured everything, then end-to-end second factor authentication is being demonstrated, right, with real hands-on. You will also, as part of this, you will also receive digital certificates actually, so that you can also do the same hands-on practice, okay. After that, we will work on the OAM auditing, right, okay. How you create data source, how you modify the audit ambient properties, because auditing is very important from the audit reports point of view, okay. So how you configure it, that is also something which we have covered. Then OAM audit reporting and BI publisher. In BI publisher, you will find there are there are 5 types of reports actually, which is being greatly highlighted in the BI publisher with data, okay. So there are really interesting reports, audit reports with data. I have highlighted this, okay, that how you can integrate Oracle Access Manager audit database with the BI publisher for audit reporting purposes, okay. How you work on the access tester tool. It's a tool actually provided within Oracle Access Manager, which could be used to do testing as well as for troubleshooting lot of issues actually, okay. So this familiarity with the access tester tool is being greatly covered. Now there are there are some big topic actually which you will find in almost all kind of project is how you do the SSO of big applications actually. Okay, so SSO of OBI application, what is required, the OBI level, what is required, the OAM level, what kind of configurations you have to do, how you enable the SSO for the OBI, how you test and verify SSO of various OBI application. Within OBI you have analytics, you have BI console, you have BI search, how you do the SSO of all the BI, the complete OBI suite actually, that it is being greatly highlighted. We are also covering the OAM integration with the Oracle Access, Oracle Access Manager integration with the OAM integration. Now, this topic is subject to if you have taken the OAM course as well, because OAM is in separate machine and Oracle Access Manager is a separate machine. Okay, so this topic is something dependent on that you have taken the OAM course as well. Anyhow, OAM course could be taken separately, but Oracle Identity Manager course also complement Oracle Access Manager course. Okay, so but point is you require OAM environment for the integration with the Oracle Access Manager, how you do the SSO of OAM set of applications actually. Okay, so that is being, these are very two big applications actually which I have covered, which I feel no one is, along with X509 and and other features like how you work on ECC, DCC. Okay, in what situations you can use the embedded credential collector, in what situations you can use the DCC. It's been greatly with practical example, it's being highlighted, which is very tough topic actually to explain. Okay, but but if you do the hands-on, right, then it's very easy to distinguish actually which approach is suitable, right? Because with the right examples I have I have demonstrated ECC and DCC, and which context ECC is used, which is default. Okay, in what situation you can use the DCC, high availability concept, migration concepts, backward compatibility of agents are also being covered in the course. Okay, so along with that, you're right, I forgot to mention actually how you do the reverse proxy, right, how you do the reverse proxy pass, right. So all these things also being covered in greater detail actually. Okay, and moreover I'm more keen, if you feel if you feel that there's something, I'm not talking about the OIF or any other a product on top of Oracle Access Manager, but if within Oracle Access Manager, if you feel right that we can add some more contents, I'm more open to it. Okay, so but the point is, right, all the all the contents videos are already being already being provided here, right. You will find here installation videos are free. Okay, OAM integration with the Active Directory or for as a directory server. Okay, X509, how you do the SSL of all the endpoints, which is not being mentioned in the course contents. Okay, but this is what I have covered, how you start stop the complete SSO stack, that is being covered in greater detail. Okay, how you do the proxy pass and proxy pass reverse, which is very important actually. Sometimes you have to deal with the you have to, Oracle Access Manager need to protect application which is deployed through some other or accessible through some other web servers. Okay, so in that case proxy pass and proxy pass reverse plays a very important role. See, in the course contents I didn't put certain things like like how you do the SSL of all the OM all the endpoints, right, like SSL of SSL of OHS, SSL of SSL of Oracle Access Manager, SSL of SSL of OUD and Oracle Access Manager, how you import the certificate of OUD into into Oracle Access Manager. So the complete end-to-end, right, so right from when you try to access the resource, right, so it's really interesting topic actually. You can so point is, let me highlight here. Okay, let me show you actually what this topic is. Okay, so it's really interesting one, wherein we have covered actually end-to-end SSL of end-to-end SSL of all the endpoints. Okay, so point is, right, you will find all these topics being covered in the greater detail. Okay, so these are the steps actually, that how you do the SSO, right. Okay, so let me go here.
Okay, click here on user identity store.
So how
instance,
you
you
do
have
the
to restart
SSL,
admin
right,
server.
of all the endpoints, right? It's being
This SSO login page will come from
okay.
so once user has been authenticated.
So you can see here all all HTTPS interface actually, right from the how the login page appears, right, from so everything will be SSL actually, okay, wherein wherein digital certificates are being provided provided by the Oracle Access Manager itself, okay. So point is, right, the these things you may not find it's in the course contents, but whatever is being highlighted, actually we have also covered that, okay, along with the along with some additional things which I get based on the request, okay. So you can also request if you feel that certain things could be added as part of the course. I will also try to cover these contents in the live class as well, okay, because whatever is being covered in the self-paced course, the same thing will be covered in the live class as well, okay. So this is how the course work actually. So let me quickly go through. So these 7 steps, okay, but do ask for, if you, because this is very very important, right, that you have the VirtualBox environment. So we provide one-to-one support, okay. So once you have the lifetime access to all the videos and the VirtualBox image, okay, and once you have set it up once, then you won't forget that, okay. And once you have done that, then download the running nodes, okay, and start doing the installation phase. You can also optionally join the live class, okay. So so it's optional actually, it's totally if you have the time, right, optionally, right, join live class as well. So you can also join the live class, but whenever I will start the live class, but live class won't cover anything anything additional actually. So whatever is being covered and the videos are being provided, the same thing will be covered in the live class, okay. But you will get here unlimited access for all the contents, okay. So once you have clicked on start this course, okay, or you can click on continue this course. If you have taken certain video certain section, actually you will find it will either turn into start course because you have already clicked on start course, or you will find here on continue course. But once you have subscribed to it, right, okay, so take this. Once you have made the payment, you will no longer see take this course. You will see once payment is done, right, you will see start this course or continue this course only. So in case if you forgot password, right, you can retrieve the password, right. And there's one more option actually, okay. Let's say if you want to buy, okay, Oracle Access Manager or OAM admin as well as OAM admin course as a combo, because it will have it will have a more discount actually. If you want to go with the OAM admin as well as OAM development course, right, so we have we have given the more cheaper option actually. You can click here on shop link, okay. So in the shop link you will find a combo of OAM and OAM admin. You will find that we have given the front 100 USD discount if you go for the combo, okay. So click on the combo of OAM and OAM admin. You will see that there are 2 courses included in the OAM and OAM combo, okay. You will find what you will get. You will get all OAM videos and VirtualBox image for hands-on, all OAM videos and the VirtualBox image for the hands-on. In access to that, of course, you will get OAM, OAM live classes as well, right. You can also reach us for any trouble if you face, right, doing the hands-on as well, okay. So but the point is, these 2 courses, OAM admin and OAM admin, you will get as part of this course. You have to click on checkout and make the appropriate payment, okay. So now similarly you have the combo of OAM admin and OAM development, right, okay. OAM admin, OAM development, you can take it as part of the combo course, okay. You can also save here you can also save here 100 USD actually, okay. So point is, right, so this is how you can take a combo course as well, okay. So click on shop link, okay. Any combo product will be listed here, right, okay. So you can click on checkout, right, okay. You can provide here your billing details, you can make the payment, okay. So point is, right, okay. So let me highlight. You have to, unfortunately, sorry, I forgot to show you that you have to add this to the cart, add to cart, okay. So in the cart you already have one item is there, so you can click on view cart. Okay, you can also click on cart here to see your cart. Remove the Oracle Access Manager, right? Okay, you will see the combo is there, right? Click on proceed to checkout. You will get, so proceed to checkout. Okay, provide the billing details, provide your password, right? Make the payment. Okay, but make sure in case of combo product, actually, okay, if you are taking combo product, okay, I will repeat again, if you are taking the combo product, okay, once it is redirected, you will get a message actually, okay, that contact the admin, because see, there whenever there is a more than one course, as admin I need to intervene and I need to allow the exception, then only you will be able to see that both the link will be enabled. So we have given the maximum 6-hour SLA actually, that once you have taken the combo course, okay, because for combo this platform gives us exception actually, okay, and in combo we have to manually enable the access. Okay, so there's some some button I have to press actually, okay, so that your enrollment to both the courses will be enabled. So but the SLA is 6 hours, okay, that within 6 hours will provide you the access. Okay, so point is 6 hours is the SLA actually, but we will immediately provide, we will receive notification, SMS notification as well as over email. Okay, so our platform is very fast, robust, and and very it's hosted on cloud, so you will find the required speed will be there. When you won't find any glitch actually, okay, when you try to access the platform. Okay, so with that I conclude here that how you can how you can enroll for the Oracle Access Manager course. Okay, with that I say I will close with saying thank you.